Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Meta Business Suite. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now using Meta Business Suite here is actually pretty simple and very easy. You just need to understand that there are going to be different parts of it and there are parts that you could really access. So for example, if you're just managing one of your, in this case, Facebook page, while using it is pretty simple. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to access your Facebook page, manage page option here. So typically you just need to switch over to your Facebook page here that you see here. So I'm already in my Facebook page and you want to go to the actual page. So just click on the actual page I have here. And in this case, at the left panel, we have Meta Business Suite. So in this case, you'll go and click on it. Now, also alternatively, you could just directly go to business.facebook.com and just log in for you to access your account. Now, optionally, you could change different accounts here. Like, for example, if you created different business portfolios for different Facebook pages, you could go and switch over directly in this top left here. But in this case, what is our homepage here? So the homepage here allows you to quickly manage your Facebook page. Like for example, you could create a post via this section here, create reels, create story, go live if you want to, and even create ads, post video across pages, and a lot more. So basically the homepage here allows you to create content, post content, and see what is your to-do list, some marketing, or in this case, your content. So in this case, you could basically easily access them via your homepage here. Now, in this case, since we all know that creating content is is something really important whenever you're managing something in Facebook here, what are the other things that you can do here? Now, by the way, if you have, like, for example, you have an Instagram account for your account or Facebook page here, you could connect them by clicking on the Connect Instagram option here and just basically log in for you to basically connect your Instagram account. You also have the option to edit your Facebook page here if you want to. So in this case, it allows you to manage the details, what you want to change, and all of those things, and basically edit your Facebook page. Now, also in here, we have our left panel. Now, the left panel here actually allows you to access different things within your Facebook page. But this is just not limited to the things that you see here, like notifications, planner, content, insights, inbox. Facebook, or in this case Meta Business Suite here, has a lot of other tools here, which later on we'll be discussing. Now first is going to be notifications. Notifications will contain different important information regarding your account. So in this case, if there are any notifications that you need to be informed of, this is where you'll be able to actually see them. Now, the planner here actually allows you to basically plan your content ahead. So in this case, you could schedule content, like for example, if you want to view what will be posted on the next day or the day after that, you could basically view it in here and start managing them. As you can see right now, it actually allows me to create a post, even create a story, a reel if I wanted today. Now, in this case, you can view this by week, by month if you want to, depending on what you want to do. As you can see on the monthly view, I could create post stories or reels here in advance if you want to. Now, the great thing about the planner here is it actually allows you to further filter out what you want to see. Like for example, if you only want to see like different posts for your scheduled content, or if you want to actually only limit this to Facebook group, a page, groups, or Instagram accounts, you could go ahead and do that via this section here as well. Now, in this case, you could go ahead and go to the content section here, which in this case allows you to view your content. What content you've actually published, you've scheduled, currently in drafts, the content that is currently expiring or expired. So in this case, basic content page here allows you to manage your content and what's currently happening right now. That includes your posts, your reels, your stories, A and B test here, your feed and grid, mentions and tags, some clips, and a lot of those. So basically, the content page here allows you to manage your actual content. Now, in this case, you have our collections here. So if you want to view your Facebook photos, playlists, series, or even view videos that you can cross-post. Now, you also have insights here, which in this case allows you to basically get an insight on how your website is actually doing. So this includes the overview details like the reach that you've had, the 1-minute views, the minutes viewed, content interaction, 3-second views, and a lot of those details. They also have the plan here if you want to basically create your ad, weekly plans for your account here, We also have results, your audience, so messaging and benchmark. So basic insights allows you to get an insight of how your page is doing, how your videos are doing. So yeah, if you want to get details of what to change, or you might want to basically do analysis on what things you might want to change, well, in this case, you should be able to see it in insights. We also have inbox here, which in this case contains your inbox. For the name itself, it should contain different messages from other people. Like if someone actually messaged you, this is where you'll be able to see them. Now, same thing, you could basically reply to this one, because it actually uses Messenger as a way to connect with your, in this case, your audience, if someone actually, again, message you. Now, you could switch over to either Messenger, even to Instagram if you've connected your Instagram account, even WhatsApp if you've connected your WhatsApp account. You also have your Facebook comments if you want to reply to them by the section, and Instagram comments here if you want to. Again, you need to basically connect your other accounts here for you to access those different tabs. Now, we also have the monetization section here, which allows you to monetize your content if your account is actually eligible for monetization. So they will inform you if you're eligible. So you could go and click on view page eligibility. There are going to be some requirements for you to be eligible for monetization, like in-stream ads, subscriptions, and stars. Now, we also have the section for ads here. So ads is a great way for you to basically start promoting your content. So ad summary here will contain some general information about your ads. All ads is to basically see all your ads here. But for you to fully utilize this, you need to open up your ads manager, which is a different section within, in this case, a different link for your business page here for Facebook, or the Meta Business Suite. So you need to go to adsmanager.facebook.com, which is a completely different UI. But in this case, we'll be just focusing on the businessfacebook.com here. Now, like what I said before, there are going to be a lot of tools that you could access within Meta Business Suite. So it is not limited to just content, your planner here. They also have the option to view sound collections, inspiration hub here. So basically, think of this business, or in this case, Meta Business Suite, as a way or a hub to access different tools, different platforms, or different websites or pages that you can utilize for your web pages. So depending on what you need, like for example, you want to sell or start selling something, you could go to commerce. You could also go to appointments or monetization or orders here, billings and payments. But yeah,